What's up, guys? So I found me a good deal on a used car. Probably gonna be a first car for one of the kids. It's a 2002 Infiniti Qx4. It's in pretty good shape. A buddy of mine was using it as his daily driver while he was working on his Mustang GT. Let's take a look at the car. Alright, so here's a little overview of the car. Got a little scuff right there. Wheel in pretty good shape. Little scuff on the mirror, little crack on the mirror housing, a discoloration on the rails, a lot of paint missing on that body cladding right there. Tint is in real good shape, rails in good shape. Got a tow rack on it already. Alright, let's take a look around. So, a little bit of damage to the driver's seat. Got an uncracked dashboard. A little bit of junk left in the car. It's, nothing horrible though. That'll clean right up with just a little elbow grease. The rear liftgate does actually function. Let's take a look at that. Where's the button? You see, alright, so here's trunk release. Alright, so just need some new gas struts on that lift gate. Alright, let's take a look under the hood. Alright, so let's get a look under the hood. Everything's pretty clean. Got decent looking brakes and brake fluid. The air filter is just a little bit dirty. Yeah, I cracked in here before. But it's super clean for a 20-year-old, like I said, Nissan product. It's missing the battery tie down. It's got aftermarket worm clamps on the radiator. Radiator is actually new. It was replaced a couple of years ago by the guy that I got it from. Only thing we gotta do is get way down in here and repair that alternator, and should be a pretty good first car for a teenager. What's up, guys? Whole nother day back again. Had to get another new multimeter. I lost the other one. So if we take a look at the reading right now, it is showing 12.35. So the last time I charged it was when I actually went and picked up the car. I charged the battery outside the car, drove it all the way back here. So the battery still seems to be good. Let's go ahead and start it up and see what happens. You see we still have the battery icon stays lit up on the dash. Let's see if we have some better numbers on that meter. Alright, so 11.9. So I'm gonna check the ground points and everything and see what we get.